Welcome to our exploration of ancient remedies that have stood the test of time. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of natural healing practices that have been passed down through generations. From herbal concoctions to time-honored rituals, these remedies have not only survived the ages, but have also proven effective in promoting health and wellness. We'll cover a variety of remedies from different cultures, highlighting their origins and the science behind why they work. You'll hear about the herbs your grandparents swore by, the spices that have been used for centuries, and the simple yet powerful practices that can enhance your well-being. Our goal is to engage you with stories and insights that make these ancient practices relatable and applicable in today's fast-paced world. Whether you're looking for natural solutions to common ailments or simply curious about the wisdom of our ancestors, this video is for you. So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and get ready to uncover the secrets of ancient remedies that might just become your new go-to solutions for health and wellness. Let's embark on this journey together and rediscover the power of nature. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Honey has long been celebrated as a natural remedy for coughs and sore throats, thanks to its soothing properties and effectiveness. Its thick, viscous texture coats the throat, providing immediate relief from irritation. Honey also possesses antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off infections that may be causing your cough. For an extra boost, honey can be combined with ingredients like lemon or ginger. Lemon adds a refreshing zing and is rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce throat swelling and discomfort. Together, these ingredients create a powerful remedy that not only soothes but also promotes healing. Store this syrup in a jar and take 1 tablespoon as needed to ease your cough or sore throat. This natural remedy is not only effective but also delicious, making it a favorite among both kids and adults. So, the next time you feel a tickle in your throat, reach for this sweet solution. Ginger has been revered for centuries as a powerful remedy for nausea and various digestive issues. Its anti-nausea properties are attributed to compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which help to soothe the stomach and reduce feelings of queasiness. Historically, ginger has been used in traditional medicine across cultures, from ancient Chinese practices to Ayurvedic treatments in India, making it a time-tested solution for digestive discomfort. There are several ways to incorporate ginger into your routine. Ginger tea is a popular choice. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for about 10 minutes. For a quick snack, candied ginger can be a tasty option, providing both flavor and relief. You can also find ginger in capsules or as a powder, which can be added to smoothies or baked goods. To maximize the effectiveness of ginger, it's best to use fresh ginger root. Peel and slice it thinly to release its natural oils, or grate it to enhance its potency. If you're making tea, consider adding a splash of lemon or a drizzle of honey for added flavor and benefits. With its versatility and effectiveness, ginger is a go-to remedy for anyone seeking relief from nausea and digestive woes. Garlic has long been celebrated for its remarkable role in boosting the immune system and fighting infections. Rich in compounds like allicin, garlic exhibits powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help ward off illnesses. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can enhance the body's immune response, making it a valuable ally during cold and flu season. Incorporating garlic into your daily meals is simple and delicious. You can add minced or chopped garlic to stir-fries, soups, and sauces for an extra flavor kick while reaping its health benefits. Roasting garlic also brings out its natural sweetness, making it a delightful addition to spreads or vegetable dishes. For those who prefer a more concentrated form, garlic supplements are available, but fresh garlic is always the best option for maximum potency. A traditional remedy for colds or flu involves making a garlic-infused honey. Simply crush a few cloves of garlic and mix them with raw honey in a jar. Let it sit for a few days, then take a spoonful when you feel under the weather. This potent combination not only helps fight off infections, but also soothes sore throats. With its immune-boosting properties, garlic is a must-have in your health arsenal. Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity as a natural remedy for digestive health, and for good reason. Its acetic acid content can help increase stomach acidity, which aids in the breakdown of food and enhances nutrient absorption. Many people find that incorporating ACV into their routine can significantly reduce bloating and discomfort after meals, making it a go-to solution for digestive issues. To use apple cider vinegar safely and effectively, start by diluting 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water. This not only makes it easier on your teeth and throat, but also helps prevent any potential irritation to your digestive tract. Drinking this mixture before meals can prepare your stomach for digestion and may help alleviate bloating. However, it's important to note some precautions. Individuals with certain conditions, such as acid reflux, ulcers, or those on specific medications, should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating ACV into their diet. Additionally, excessive consumption can lead to tooth enamel erosion, so moderation is key. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the digestive benefits of apple cider vinegar while keeping your health in check. Turmeric is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to its active compound curcumin. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation in the body, making it beneficial for conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and even chronic diseases. Its antioxidant properties also help combat oxidative stress, further supporting overall health and wellness. Incorporating turmeric into your meals or drinks is easy and delicious. You can add turmeric powder to soups, stews, and curries for a warm, earthy flavor. It also works well in smoothies or golden milk, a comforting beverage made with milk, or a milk alternative. Turmeric and spices like cinnamon and ginger. Just a teaspoon of turmeric can elevate the nutritional profile of your dishes. For those looking to use turmeric topically, a simple turmeric paste can be made at home. Mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder with enough water to form a thick paste. For added benefits, you can include a teaspoon of coconut oil or honey. Apply this paste to inflamed areas or minor cuts, and let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing off. This natural remedy harnesses the healing power of turmeric, providing relief and promoting skin health. In this video, we've explored the fascinating world of ancient remedies that have stood the test of time, highlighting their effectiveness and the wisdom behind them. We discussed the soothing properties of honey for coughs, the anti-nausea benefits of ginger, the immune-boosting power of garlic, the digestive advantages of apple cider vinegar, and the anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric. Each of these natural remedies offers unique health benefits that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. As you consider trying these remedies, remember that they are not just historical practices. They are time-tested solutions that many people have found effective. We encourage you to experiment with these natural options and share your experiences with us. Your feedback could inspire others to explore these remedies as well. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural health solutions, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We have plenty of exciting content lined up that delves deeper into the world of ancient wisdom and modern wellness. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.